Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Amazon Basics High Boardroom Black Aluminum Flipchart Whiteboard and Display Easel Stand, a versatile tool perfect for presentations, meetings, or creative projects. This heavy-duty board easel comes in a sleek black finish and features adjustable brackets that securely hold whiteboards and signage, with a removable top clip for paper pads or canvases. Its easy lock pad holder ensures your flip chart, easel pad, or poster board stays in place, while the adjustable brackets can be moved up or down to your desired height, supporting up to 25 pounds. Designed for convenience, this easel folds down quickly for compact storage and easy portability, making it an ideal choice for professionals on the go. With dimensions of 37 by 18 by 28 inches, it offers ample space for your display needs without compromising on stability or style. Whether you're leading a boardroom meeting or setting up an art display, this easel stand is engineered to meet your demands with efficiency and elegance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.